farewell to the fleas and ticks of your house and animals. Thanks to this time bomb, if you are one of the people who have pets, surely they have ever had to have ticks or fleas. When this happens, it is very annoying both for our pets and for us, because once they get rid of the animal can stick to the places less imaginable. In addition, these insects can make our pets sick, so today we will tell you how you can eliminate them in a timely and natural way to prevent them from proliferating in your home. So look at how these remedies can help solve this problem. It is important that you frequently check your pet for ticks and fleas. The most common areas are behind the ears, the anus and around the nape of the neck. Keep in mind that once you take a walk with your pet, it can be very easy for these insects to adhere to the animal, and when they stick can reproduce in an incredible way. Therefore, the remedies that you will see today are very effective and quick to eliminate these insects without causing some effect that damages our animal. Remedies for ticks and fleas. 1. Alcohol and oil. In a bowl place 2 parts of alcohol and 1 of edible oil and mix. After you return from each walk, check your pet, and if you observe some of these insects, take a cloth and wet with this mixture, then pass it on your pet until it is detached. When you remove the tick, burn with a match very carefully. 2. Citrus fruit. Take some water with some citrus, for example, lemon, orange or grapefruit, then in a spray bottle place this mixture and spray your pet with it to remove the ticks. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Pour a little apple vinegar into a cloth and perform the same procedure as alcohol and oil.